Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Got my pink cast cut off. I'm in a black walking boot, so my video should be a little bit better. This is a 30-inch porcelain stop your engine, stop smoking sign, please. The obvious in a gas station. So it's really a nice shape. As you see, there's one little ding down here in the corner. Otherwise, it's in great condition. This is part of the San Jose collection that we bought, and we're doing well. We've pretty much sold 30% of the collection already at what we've listed. So if this is for you, you can jump on it today.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.